Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Zol, and today I'm gonna show you how I made this low-poly Allosaurus. I wanted to achieve a nice blend between old-school dinosaur movies and early 2000s games. My inspiration is from stop-motion dinosaur movies, from Willis O'Brien and Ray Harryhausen. Also my two favorite paleo artists from the last century, Zdeněk Burian and Charles R. Knight. I started with a basic blockout. Basically just wanted to get done the silhouette and the basic shapes, the proportions as well, even though they're gonna be edited multiple times later on in the process. Right now I'm just adding more details, for example the crest above its eyes. But I didn't want it to overdo it because I want to keep the poly count low. Sometimes it can be hard to find something that has a good range of motion but still doesn't have too much triangles. I use Blender for almost everything, except for texturing. For hand-painted textures, I like 3D code the most. Usually I draw in the details in black and white first. Doesn't matter that it isn't perfect, because the textures are gonna be scaled down anyways later on. After I'm finished with this, I just put another layer on top of it, set it on overlay and just paint in the colors. This way I can reuse the details and easily make alternative skins if I want to. Some final touches in Photoshop and the texture is done. Back in Blender, when I load in the textures, I change the interpolation from linear to closest, so we're gonna have that crisp, pixelated look. I'm not that good with rigging, so the character is gonna have a simple rig only. In Willis O'Brien's movie The Lost World from 1925, the puppets had inflatable football bladders inside their bellies to animate breathing. In my case, I just had to extrude a bone from the spine, weight paint it, which is basically just how much the bone is gonna have the influence over the vertices. With that done, I just need to scale it up and down and my dinosaur is breathing. And with all of that, we are finished. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment down below. I would appreciate any kind of feedback. See you in the next one.